said there's one gonna be issued for Sussex County, and look what this is. Literally. I literally knew it, bruh. That's crazy.
Southwestern Sussex County.
I literally knew it, bruh. What the heck, dude?
Eastern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 3:30 p.m. At 2:57 p.m.
Alright. I did miss the one for Monroe County. I didn't expect that to happen. Can we get WXL39?
Indicated. Impact. Travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within
Is this
minutes.
is the damage stress significant? I don't know.
Newton.
Come on, WXL39.
Rapid
Here we go.
visibility and road conditions.
Here it is.
Be alert. Whiteout conditions.
All right. I think that's the first most Squall warning of the month or year. I don't know.